How to apply makeup for beginners, with videos. Enhance your features and boost your confidence with our foolproof tips and tricks. Things you should know. Translucent powder reduces oil causing shine and locks in your makeup so that it lasts all day. If you're brand new to eyeliner, you may have an easier time applying gel eyeliner instead of a pencil, as gel eyeliners have a more slidable formula. 9. One coat is enough for a natural look, but you can layer up if you're looking for some extra drama. 12. Daniel Van is the creative director for Daredevil Cosmetics, a makeup studio in the Seattle area. Things you'll need. References. Master beauty consultant and celebrity makeup artist. App pointing arrow http://www.totalbeauty.com/content/gallery/eyeliner-tutorial/p100212/page 5. About this article. Use a small eyeshadow brush to add a light, neutral shadow to your lids, and define your eyes with a swipe or two of mascara on your lashes. Reader success stories. Did this article help you?